subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has finally launched its new affordable smartphone under X series in Saudi Arabia called Honor 10X Lite. Talking about the specifications, the Honor 10X Lite features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a large 90.3% screen-to-body ratio, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone supports a quad camera setup in a squarish module that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Honor 10X Lite comes powered by Kirin 710A chipset coupled with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on Magic UI 3.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 22.5 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with GPU Turbo 3.0 technology for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.65 by 76.88 by 9.26 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor 10X Lite has been priced in Saudi Arabia at 799 Saudi Riyals, and it is now available for purchase in the country in emerald green, Icelandic frost, and midnight black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor 10X Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.